Hello guys, and today we're playing Slime Rancher. You might think that I didn't play this game, but it says about playing Roblox all day, but no, we're going to change that. We are going to play different games like Slime Rancher. This is how far I have came. I unlocked some stuff, so I have lots of berries, and over here I have tons of chickens. And also over here you see I have these slimes. If you put too many of them, then they'll get shy and they won't poop out plorts. And yeah, they've got a scare slime and some carrots growing. And we have all this. See, we could not really test it, see? And it's filling up. But I can't really do that because mine is full. And if I run out of space, then I could always, because I bought all this stuff, so if I run out of space, I could always go here. And I could come here and I'd be like, see, there's more. They're in a pond too. And I could take all of this stuff, see? And then we could go over here. We got some more and more and more. I forgot about this place. Yep, we just got so much. I think I'm going to have to do that. I can't wait to come back to my place because I have a farm. I forgot about this, so now I get to get all of this and I get to feed all my pet stuff because I have lots of fairies. And one of them I didn't really feed for a long time, so I gotta go feed it. Everything has to get one fruit because I don't have that much fruit, but I have lots. Oh. So let's head back. I could show you where I keep some berries. So as you see, if I go all the way over here, I think I could turn, and you see I could get this first. Oh wait, can I? Yeah, okay, I got some 15, and I could go over here like that. And then it's dark, so then the fairies will stay here. See, it looks evil and it looks like something scary is gonna happen, but really I have this. See, this is what I was talking about, the fairy. See? And then if I feed it, it gives me both of the stuff and no common stuff because, yeah, and it eats meat and fruit. I forgot that I'll get those stuff later, but I need to get all my money. If you make sure to subscribe if you played Slime Rancher 4. Yeah, that's what it's called, Slime Rancher. If you want to play this for yourself. So look how we get this fruit, how we get it, and we exchange it for money. We get to do this, and we point it all at that, and then it gives us money. I could do it again because I love this Slime Rancher game a lot, and I play it and stuff, and I just really love this game, and it's just so much fun. And now I get to go back and collect of the other money, plorts that it fart out, and I could go and get it. So look at now I could get it, and I could go back and I could have another farm here. I could start, and probably that's where I could make it. I just have lots of stuff going on, and I can't do everything at once, so it's kind of hard. And there's these things called tar slimes at night, and they appear and they could hurt your slimes. Yeah. And over here, I get to go and get some money. See, look, these are the ones I kind of know right now. So, and I am going to go to here and give them all that fruit. So they're not sad and stuff. And yeah. See, look, they're in here it's really dark. and they're not like, yeah. Okay, so some stuff costs money, so yeah. Come on. So this thing. Okay, I think that was all. Yeah, and if we could go here, we could just collect all of them, and then we could trade it for money. Let's see, and then we could go here, and we could get lots of money. See, 17 coins each for one falsifier port. And I have lots of money, so I could go around the place looking for see like if I could buy another place. But right now I had an idea. Well, I have a place also. So it's over here. And I'm going to go and I'm gonna go here, and I'm gonna let's see, and you see I'm going to get a coral. Let's purchase, and I'm gonna make the walls high because I don't want them escaping and stuff. And this rock slime could. See, they're dangerous because they could hurt your heart. Ouch. Yeah, so you don't really want to, but it's okay for me because I have lots of heart stuff because of power-ups and stuff, and I saved up for money. And here, see, it's storage, and coop and garden. Yeah. And right now I have some more of more food for all of my fairies, but I'm not going to really feed them right now. I'm going to show the place I go to sometimes, but it's not here. Where is it? I'm going to go see what kind of slimes. Oh my gosh, do we even have this? Oh, that's just a bit too much. But don't worry, because I had another place that, yeah. Okay, so I'm just going to take all of these carrots, and we're going to, let me just grab some food, and we're going to see, how my place is doing, and yeah, I'm going to go. I don't really know where it is. I kind of forgot, but I think I still know. I could just, yeah. I only know is that it's somewhere over here. I know it's here because I saw a bridge that was here. I was supposed to, yeah. Nice bridge. And yeah, a bridge was here and stuff, and I got to get all my carrots. You don't get it. No. You don't get it. No, you better not be. Actually, I gotta save some slots. What am I thinking? Yeah, why am I throwing these out? Because, let me think again. Wait. I have this stuff. So what if I get a bigger view? This is the dangerous place. They can make tar slimes here because there's 3 slimes eating and stuff. You don't want lots of slimes where the place you're at because out. I think it was because I was the place. It's I didn't have that much space, so I had to give myself some more space to move it around too much. And this place looks not really that good. Oh my gosh, I have no idea where it was. So I'm just going to fly to the other side to see if it's there. Oh yeah, it's there. It's there. So here's the thing. Well, it's kinda in a dangerous place. So let me just use my fly. Oh yeah, see it's here. I'm gonna go all the way here. And carefully go down because it's turning lights. And I don't really like that because, well, at least I have water because the tar slimes, they disappear from the water. Yeah. Ooh, a big kitty slime. I just recognize that. Okay. Got my water. So, yeah. I think it's the school slimes because, over here I might just go. If I keep going, I might just die into the water. But don't worry, I'm not gonna fall into the water because it makes me die. You probably want me to if you're new to this game. I'm not. Yeah, I finally got to here, and I'm going to climb up, and I am going to go up here. See? Boom slime on. You're mine too. See the boom slimes, they're a bit dangerous because they go like boom and they explode. I think they can explode. So the water is a very safe place because it's like the water. It's in the water. You're never gonna die in here unless the explosive someone's here. Come into me. These cat slimes, I don't really like them. Oops, no. Oh, hi. I was want to get it, but then I was like, oh no, it's out. Let me go away from it. Let me go away. Help me. Okay. Is there, no, they're all merging. They're all gonna merge and die there. Get away from me. I do not want to boom. No, I don't want to die. I'm scared. That's why I'm like up here, you know? But one time I got really lost and I really wanted to bring all my stuff back home, but I couldn't because I didn't know where I was. So then I had to just kill myself and not get anything. And I also found this special fruit once. It was really like cool. Well, I think I'm gonna go already because this is like my first ever boom slime, so I don't want to lose it, you know? So that's the wrong way. This is the right way. Hopefully, yeah. Oops. Scanning beams. So never mind. I guess I'm gonna have to stay here because really, it's just because I don't really, know how to kill those ones, and they're dangerous berries. But I could go back here and hope for my life that I won't die because it's dangerous, kind of like dangerous here. So that's why I don't want to, but I'm here anyways. Wow, that's the first ever. like a bit scared because the tar slimes might be around here. The tar slimes are really scared to be in the water because it really just kills them. And yeah. So, if you see a tar slime in the water, then that's okay. That's actually good. And you do not want to be around these boom slimes. They take away 10 health. Okay? Just 10. But I have lots of health, so I shouldn't be scared. But I am. I don't know why. But let's just go deeper because I think I'm going to find something cool. I gotta run, because I'm scared. I'm so scared. I don't know where it's going to come. I'm probably going to be stuck in this forest forever, but I'm running and I'm going to collect some cool stuff. And yeah. So if I gotta like run because I don't know what's going to come after me. And over here, oh my gosh, those are the evil slimes. So yeah. And they could jump really high if they see you. So it's the most dangerous zone, but I mean over here it isn't really that bad. At the night in this place, it's actually really, really scary. Like, you don't want to be here at the night. Like, no. Oh my gosh. I'm here so I could try to go and get one of those slimes. But I'm too scared because this girl got to do it. This girl, she wants to do it, but she's gonna have to do it. If she really misses. Give me you. Oh my gosh, I gotta. Uh-oh, that's a scary one. That's a bad one. Come here. Gosh, I'm like killing all of them. Hopefully. Oh my gosh, I am so scared. I need to take these back home, but how? I'm like too scared. And like, come on, bring me up there, please. No. Na 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 ow na. Oh my gosh. I am running home. Goodbye, no. I ain't coming back because no, it's too scary there. I just really am going in circles, am I? I'm just going deeper. I am scared because I want to keep my stuff, but it's night, and that's horrible news. Don't I run for it? Beams on mine. So these are good. Oh my gosh. Please, oh my goodness. I actually did it. Sleep until morning. I am so happy. Well, I mean, like, that was really good. Okay, don't worry, we got some more slime friends now. Sorry I was gone a bit, but don't worry, it was fine. It was really worth it because I had to. God, okay, here you go. Here. Yeah. So I'm gonna get this one in here, and I'm gonna put this boom slime where it belongs to. I forgot where it goes. Wow. wow, I'm so happy. Yes. I mean to give this. See, look how cute they are. And it's my time to shine, I gotta say. Because look at this. I actually got it. The boom slime. That was so hard, I gotta say. Well, I mean, it was the hardest thing and scariest because I almost died. I did not want that. But I guess I did it. And I am going to someplace that I know. This. Yeah. Like, hey, what is that? Oh, well, this is where the boom slimes are going. Yeah. This is where they are going. Here. Yes. Okay. Okay, so I have them in there. Okay, I don't know what that did, but I am literally so happy. Like, I have never been happier. Oh, just kidding, I have been happier, but yep. There's gonna be a lot of booms. What do they eat? Just tell me. Meats. I have fruit. Do you eat fruit? Do you eat carrots? You don't eat carrots? Well, I mean, there's going to be a lot of booms tonight. And yeah, so I'm going to go back. I guess, no, I can't go back. So there's only one way to, they're exploding over there. Okay. This is the only way I know how to get back. It's the only way I know how to get back, so that's why this is the way that I am using to get back to my place. Yeah, this is the only way I know how to get back. It's like really tiny and squishy, but I actually completed one mission today that made me so happy. I actually did it. And well, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Make sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and leave a like. That would be awesome. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.